In this video, I'm going to show you how to downgrade Shopify plan. So the process is easy. All you need to do is just go and log in to your Shopify admin panel. From there, you'd like to go and click on the settings. You will find this at the bottom left. Once you click on that, this will pop up into you. Here on this left panel, you'll find the plan option. And here your plan will pop up. So normally, under this current plan, as you can see, I'm still on trial, but for you, you'll find your plan right here with your store. You will be able to either cancel your plan if you want to cancel it totally, or you will be able to click on choose plan. So as example here, I have choose plan because I didn't choose a plan yet, but for you, let's say as an example here, by any chance you have the advanced plan. So instead of select advanced here, you will find this example, or choose this instead of this. So just go down and you will downgrade very easily. So of course you'll not have choose a plan and here, because as I said, I still don't have a plan, I'm on the trial, but for you, you will find example change plan. So click on change plan and you'll be able to downgrade to any plan that you want. The basic if you have the grow if you have the advanced, and the advanced if you have the plus by any chance. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.